Hey traders, Money Badger here with Badger Trading University. If you haven't already joined our BTU Discord, simply click the link in the video description below. Let's take a look now at how to buy Safemoon. While there are several ways of going about this, one of the most popular is using Trust Wallet and Pancake Swap. Step 1. Download and create an account with Trust Wallet, which can be found across platforms, App Store, Google Play, and Android. Once downloaded, you're going to want to select Create a New Wallet. Then, in the next screen, you're going to want to verify that you understand that if you lose your recovery word phrase, you will no longer have access to your wallet. This is super important. Write your recovery phrase down using a pen and paper and store it somewhere safely. Do not keep this saved on your phone and do not screenshot. Then, once you've written this down and saved it somewhere safe, you'll be asked to verify your recovery phrase. Simply click the jumbled phrase from the bottom to the top and make sure it's in the correct order, and then hit continue. Your wallet will be successfully created. Step 2. Purchase Smart Chain tokens within Trust Wallet. It is important that you select Smart Chain, which operates on the Binance network. So do not select BNB, select Smart Chain. I know it can be confusing. At the top right corner, you'll see the buy button, select it, and then you'll be able to enter in the amount you'd wish to purchase. It will take you through a third party called Simplex, and you will probably need to call your bank to verify the transaction. Step 3. Open Pancake Swap and connect your Trust Wallet. To do this, select DApps or Decentralized Apps at the bottom of your screen. Then, in the search menu, you're going to select and search for Pancake Swap. When open, you're going to select the drop-down menu at the top left corner, then select Trade, and then click Exchange. Here, you're going to connect your Trust Wallet. Notice the icon in the top right corner should show Smart Chain. If the icon does not show Smart Chain, you will get this error message. To fix it, simply click the icon and select Smart Chain. Step 4. Swap BNB Smart Chain for Safemoon. While in the exchange, you'll see that you're swapping from BNB Smart Chain to Safemoon. So select a currency and search for Safemoon. Then you're going to be asked to set your slippage to 12%. Selecting the settings where the red arrow is to change this is how you do this. Then you'll see how much BNB Smart Chain you'll be converting to Safemoon. Then you'll select Swap at the bottom of the screen. And if you are here for too long, you may need to accept a new price since price is constantly changing. Some of you may get insufficient output amount. If you get this error message, it can be easily fixed. For some reason, the app has difficulty deciphering between too many different numbers, so simply erase all the numbers after your first one or two and replace them with zeros. You are now a Safemoon holder, joining over 2 million of us Safemoon Army members. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video and you found it helpful, please like and subscribe, and join our BTU Discord by selecting the link in the video description below.